Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you unboxing and first look of a new Ganzo knife that I recently got. This will be the Ganzo, or now they are rebranding the name brand to FB. So previously it was also called the Firebird. Where is my older box? So this was the older box. The logo stayed the same, but they are rebranding to FB knife. And this will be the model number FH924-GY, and this is for 2023. And yeah, I was interesting what's going on, because I was not so active in purchasing Ganzo knives for the past years. My last one was in February this year, so 2023. It was the model number G6803 GY, and this one did come in the OG older style of box, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe it was just what they had on the shelves, but keep in mind that since 2019, since I basically stopped purchasing Ganzo knives because no new models were released, or no new models that I was interested in were released. They changed the box to this one, so it is really interesting to get in 2023 still this box, but it is what it is. So let's talk about this knife. So let me get inside, and like the OG Ganzos, you still have a nice pouch and bubble pouch, bubble bag, and a packet of silica gel. So this is everything we probably need to have, so that most of the money goes towards the product, and that goes to you, of course. Okay, so Ganzo did heavily advertise this model on Instagram and also on some other medias that they have to their disposal, and I was really drawn to this design. We'll be talking about it, why that is, in a minute. So firstly, let me give you the specification. So we have a overall length of 15.8 centimeters at 6.2 inches. The blade is 6.5 centimeters or 2.55 inches. The thickness is 2.5, the width is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. The thickness is 3.3 millimeters or 0.13 inches. The handle is 9.3 centimeters or 3.6 inches, and the thickness without the pocket clip is 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Now on the materials we have D2, so a little bit of an upgrade from all those 440 blades and HCR 13 MOEs. This is a satin finish. I would love to have a nice stone wash, but they are giving us this nice satin finish. On the handles we have G10 with a medium coarse texture. Nicely skeletonized stainless steel liners, they are polished. As for the pivot assembly, we have caged ball bearing washers. Nice centering. The back spacer, and we have open partial back construction for the lanyard hole. Nice addition to the detail is of course to have a functional pocket clip, and I'm really happy that they went with the wire clip, which I always suggest to use on EDC knives, but for some reason they heat treated it, so this is really stiff. And on the opposite side we have a nice cutout for the reversible position, and they even get us really nice tab filler for that pocket clip hole. Liner construction. Let me check out the. Okay, so the log is really nice and sturdy, no slippage and no blade play whatsoever, so really nice construction right there. We have a few jimpings on the top here, And for opening we have only thumb hole opening, which nice low rollout or spidey flick. So let me check out the sharpness out of the box. So this is really nice and sharp out of the box, how it should be. Thank you very much. So now let's talk, I forgot to mention the weight, sorry about that. So the weight is 85 grams or 3 ounces. As far as variants go, you can choose from green G10, black G10 and carbon fiber. For some reason orange G10 is missing. Usually they also offer these nice in orange, but yeah. So for this color, in my opinion, is some kind of blue variant, but they have marked as a GY, so gray. I don't know why, but it is what it is. Everybody can call this color as they want. Okay, so let's address the elephant in the room, and that is the design. So we are knowing that since 2019, Ganzo did collaborate with few knife designers, and those models which were released from 2019 to 2023 were also some higher-end models with better steels, and usually they cost around 70 to 80 dollars. So definitely not the price point we are looking at as Ganzo goes. So I'm really happy to report that on this one they keeping the price as low as possible in the current day and age. So the price is the full price is $37.5, or usually they are on discount for $30 US, that is from AliExpress. And as far as a euro price, so for all my friends here in European Union, you have to expect to pay around 31 euros. So that depends on also the configuration, because the CF or the carbon fiber version is a little bit more expensive, but not that much. Okay, so now let's talk about the design. So Ganzo from the past is really known that they took some liberties on some designs. They re-engineered and released knives similar to knives that were produced and designed by Benchmade, Spyderco, and so on. So that is nothing new for the community. Everybody knows that Ganzo knives are quality made, and they have some similarities with existing knives. But I thought that when the restructuring or rebranding occurred, that they will be wending to the route of the custom designs, or they are collaborating with new upcoming knife designers, and they will release new models completely in-house or collaborating with these designers. And long behold, the FH924 came, and for me it's similarly to one of my all-time favorite designs from Ganzo, and this is the CRKT made Pillar 1. So I have here on the table also the Pillar 2, and also the newest one, the Pillar 4, but this is a completely different design in my opinion. So let's stay with the Pillar 1. So when we are looking at the Pillar 1, this is obviously a frame lock construction with different kind of pocket clip, different kind of usage. So let's bring out the trusty old jean pocket, and let me show you how is this regarding of EDC. So as you can see, I had to push a little bit harder, but nothing major, and this is how much it will be sticking out. As far as pillar goes, definitely needs much more force. So it looked like to me that they did see that pillar and thought about it, how to improve on the EDC aspects of the design. And they went for liner lock, of course, because you are not pushing on the frame. They went with cage ball bearings, and this is on washers. Then they gave us a wire clip, which is far superior in my opinion than any kind of folded over or bent pocket clip. And they get rid of the finger fringage oil. So let me give you the perspective. So on the Ganzo we have 6.2 inches. On the pillar we have 5.7 overall length of the blade. Sorry, overall length of the knife. For the blade on the Ganzo we have 2.55 inches, and on the CRKT or pillar we have only 2 inches. So that is 5.2 centimeters, 6.5 centimeters. So they're giving in the similar size package a little bit more blade. As far as weight goes, these are almost the same. The Ganzo is, like I mentioned, 85. That is 2.99 inches, and the pillar is 85.4 or 3 inches. So definitely 0.4 grams. Also, they looked at the pillar, in my opinion, and they see that left-handed carry users will have no option to switch the pocket clip, and they use this way to improve their design. They use different hole for the opening method, and we have similar position of the lanyard hold. So overall, they did try their best to try to maybe improve the pillar design. Not that pillar design is bad. In my opinion, pillar design is really nice because you have the opportunity to choke up on the blade. I would rather have that on this one too, just because for those EDC tasks you definitely do not need so much blade, and you are losing a nice firm 4-finger grip, even if you are a XL size hand. If you have a smaller hand, then definitely you will have no problems, but this way, this is for me a 3-finger knife. Okay, so overall I must say this is a really nice, small, lightweight, compact design. Usually Ganzo makes a little bit larger knives, so around 7 inches, sometimes even more. But yeah, this is really a nice addition to the. So I have here on the table also the FH61, which was one of my previous knives that I got somewhere in probably 2019, and it has some similarities as far as form or size goes, but this is definitely completely another beast, and this is a really nice knife. Also really nice and smooth. So if you're interested to getting one of these, they should be still available. This is the FH61. Okay, now let's continue with some size comparisons. So here's the CVV Elementum, QSP Penguin, Benchmade small reptilian, para free, Benchmade bug out, bug vintage select small, Spyrecodelica, red model 2, Kaiser pinch, Buck Texas toothpick, Rough Rider peanut, Kershaw Shuffle 2, my old rusty Kershaw Shuffle 1, and let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so overall I must say for around $30 or 35 euros, this is another excellent purchase from Ganzo or FB knife, as they now call themselves. Well, these are still made by the China Ganzo Firebird Industries and Trade Company Limited. So they should be available through different dealers. I got one from AliExpress. I will link them down below. But if you are looking to get one, search and maybe you will find even better pricing. With that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my hobbies. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.